Good morning students. Now we discuss trends in modern periodic table. Means the the properties of element which show a regular gradation in moving from left to right in a period or from top to bottom in a group. So first of all we discuss about valency, which you know very well in your previous class. So we will revise it by taking an example of nitrogen. Nitrogen atomic number is 7 and electronic configuration is 2 5. So in the picture of atom, in first cell 2 electrons come and in second cell 5 electrons come. So the outermost electrons present in the cell is 5. So the valence electron is 5. Valence electron is the electrons present in the outermost cell. Now valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an element. Means to acquire the octet configuration. Octet configuration means elements required 2 or 8 electrons in the outermost cell. So to acquiring the configuration of octet, it loses or gain electrons. That is called valency. So here we see that in outermost cell 5 electron is present in nitrogen, and to acquire octet configuration it requires 3 more electron. Means to complete 8 it requires 3 more electron, so the valency is 3. Now variation in periods. Suppose we take a period, third period from the modern periodic table. The elements sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and last one is argon. So we see that valency of sodium is 1, magnesium 2, aluminum 3, silicon 4. The positive charge is showing that they are losing electrons, and after that phosphorus 3, sulfur 2, chlorine 1, and argon 0. So we see that when we move from left to right in a period, the valency first increases from 1 to 4 and then it decreases to 0. Now if we talk about a group, from top to bottom in a group, the elements first group, the element of first group are taking here hydrogen, lithium, sodium, and potassium. Hydrogen atomic number is 1 and the valency is 1. Lithium, the atomic number is 3, so the configuration is 2 1. So we see that the valency is 1. Similarly, sodium atomic number is 11, configuration 281, so valency is 1. For potassium 19 and valency is 1. So here we observe that when we move from top to bottom in a group, the valency remains the same, that is 1. So these are the trends in valencies. When we move in a period from left to right, valency increases and then decreases. When we move from top to bottom in a group, the valency remains the same.